All right, every time you walk into Connecticut Lighting, there is something brand new to see.
And that is exactly what we're talking about today. Everything we're about to show you is new to the store.
So if you haven't been in lately, it's time to make a guest appearance.
Hey everybody, I'm here with Todd Director, Vice President of Connecticut Lighting. And
how you doing?
Good, nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Happy end of summer.
I know, all right?
We are talking about some innovative ideas that have come to Connecticut Lighting that can change your life, make it for the better, and just and you have a blast.
Well, let's start with innovative ideas from Innovations Lighting.
Okay.
So this is a company called Innovations Lighting. They're actually out of New York. And one of the cool concepts that they came up with their product is all of the product is mix and match.
Really?
So every single piece you're looking at here, you can interchange glass, you can interchange finishes, and you can have it in a bath bar, in an island light, in a wall sconce, in a pendant. So, and in a flush mount.
Ready to shed some light on some new lights?
This is a company out of New York, another company out of New York called Hudson Valley. Again, beautiful lighting products. As you take a look, you know, some of the stuff, the attention to detail, again, the piece here, just incredible, different, and really nice products.
So elegant. Todd, bathroom fixtures also from Hudson Valley?
Absolutely. You know, Hudson Valley does a great job with attention to detail on their fixtures. You're not going to see any other bath lighting that looks like this. This piece here, they mimic the old insulators from the telephone poles.
Isn't that, you know, that's fantastic.
So just really unique, different stuff.
Here's some more pieces that are LED unique.
Todd, more new lighting into Connecticut Lighting? I mean, this is...
Absolutely. You know, every time you're in, we always have to talk about something LED. But again, as the LED technology advances, you know, take a look at this piece right here. That's an actual flush mount fixture for like the middle of a room, but it's so different. Take a look at this. This is all edge lit LED.
Wow.
Okay? It's all edge lit, so the light shoots out the bottom of those panels.
Todd, this is an interesting piece too.
You want to do something wild over a dining room table and you don't want it to hang down a lot because you want that clean look? Take a look at this flush mount. That thing's more than 5 feet wide.
It's time to do the can. Recessed cans, that is.
You know, if you go back some time, you know, we've always sold recessed lighting. The difference is now we're selling a ton of recessed lighting because the technology and the options are so vast. Prior to doing a project, whether it's a kitchen or a bathroom or whatever, you're going to do recessed lighting, come take a look at the options.
How about recessed lights that come in different colors or different color temperatures? They've got that too.
Well, you can now upgrade it not only to an LED unit, but an LED unit that not only changes colors, but also changes color temperature.
Changing gears to show you one last product.
Todd, also something new. This from M-Tech.
Yeah, absolutely. This is
really cool.
It is again keyless entry deadbolt. Really nice unit. This is controlled by August, the lock company. Their August is a smart protocol for door locks. Incredible technology. Works with Amazon Alexa. Works on a smartphone app. Works on Apple HomeKit. Again, just a great new device. Really sleek looking.
Isn't that beautiful?
Absolutely.
Love my bolt.
Yes, me too, because then you can tell
Keyless
someone come
entry.
on over, and you can have like 21 different codes, so...
Absolutely.
And you can change it.
All right, some amazing products at Connecticut Lighting. You have to check the store out for yourself.
They're located in Hartford and in Southington. You can head to their website at ctlighting.com for more information.